Brent is the professional at StraightUp Solar. He gets the process. He gets how to work with the people. He gets the value, not just to the individual, but to the community for which he produces this stuff. You know, one of the interesting things about Brent is how successful he is in his Business Networking International group and how much value he brings, not just to himself as a person working to get solar installations placed throughout Southern Illinois, but all of the additional work that he does with other local businesses, supporting them as they support him. You know, he's in there. He is not just part of the network. Sometimes it feels like he is the network, and it you know, couldn't have been happier to work with him. The installation process was wonderful. The folks that actually did the install were of the utmost professional caliber. Any questions that they had about the property or about the install, they asked me first and sought approval. They made changes to the system on the fly as needed that made it come together very nicely, and it didn't cost me any extra money for them to make the changes that were needed to make it the most user-friendly system that they could for me. There's no other solar installer that I would recommend other than StraightUp Solar. Knowing that there was somebody that I could trust here on the ground representing me working through StraightUp Solar just made sense.